In this video, we'll show you how to revise your IRS payment plan online, step by step. If you're still filing your taxes, check out our affiliate links in the description for free Tax USA and TurboTax. Now, let's walk you through the process. To start, go to the website irs.gov. Then click on the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the screen. On this page, you can choose the type of IRS account you want to sign into. In this video, we are going to sign in with our individual account. Click on the option that says Sign In to Individual Account. Since we already have an existing account, click on the option that says Sign In with ID.me. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Sign In. To complete your sign in, you have to verify your identification first. From the options provided, click on the multi-factor authentication method you wish to choose. In this video, we chose to receive a code via text message. Click on the option you wish to choose. If you also chose to receive the code via text message, enter the 6-digit code given on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Payments. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on Payment Options. Then on this page, you will see your current payment options. Scroll down to the bottom. Then click on Revise Payment Plan. Next, you will be redirected to this page. Scroll down to the bottom to see Plan Revisions. From the options provided, click on the checkbox beside the revision you wish to make. In this video, we chose to update our payment amount. Then, in the field provided, enter the updated amount you wish to pay. If you wish to make more than one change, feel free to click on multiple options by checking their boxes as well. Once all the revisions are entered, click on Next. Next, review all the details entered. Then, under Consent to Direct Debit, you will see several fields provided. In the fields provided, enter your first and last name, as well as your SSN. Once entered, click on the checkbox beside the text that says I have read the disclosure authorization. After that, read the plan terms and conditions. Once read and if everything looks good, click on the checkbox beside I have read the above terms and conditions. Then click on Submit. That's how you revise your IRS payment plan online. If you wish to save a copy of your plan confirmation and terms and conditions, click on Print. Then click on the download icon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.